Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up workflows for automating your texting, voice, and email programs. So first you go to automation, go to workflows. So using workflows, you can create different type of automation depending on your trigger criteria, and also you can set up some actions. So I'll show you a demo. So this is just reply back on SMS, creation workflow created. You open the workflow. In this, you have to first add a trigger. When this workflow will be triggered, when a new contact is added, when an incoming SMS is there, incoming WhatsApp is there, or any third party system webhook is there, you can register that as well. Or when an incoming voice call is there, or you can schedule a certain workflow to occur at every recurrent time. So we'll test it with the incoming WhatsApp, let's suppose. We have added an incoming trigger for WhatsApp. Now what we will do as action we can say add a contact, send a SMS, put a delay, send a WhatsApp template, send a WhatsApp non-template. We can do a voice call. We can do call a third party using APIs. We can filter, we can add a router to basically segment it out. So what we'll do, we'll reply back on WhatsApp. So in to number, you have to put uh, the parameters with respect to incoming WhatsApp. So whatever number the incoming message came from, so we'll use that from number. In from number, we'll use to number, since that is the number it came message sent to. So message, what we can say, you can write any message. Thanks for reaching out. I have received your message and I will reply as soon as possible. Alright, so you can also attach media URLs. So you can directly put the link to the media file over here and then you can save it. You can publish your workflows. Published. So since this is a reply back on SMS, I'll just say reply back on WhatsApp over here to update it. And more, I'll just add. So update. So this is added. Now I will do an incoming to test this out. To test the incoming, I'll just reply. I shoot an incoming message to the number which is connected in CRM Messaging. Hello. So since this message hello is there, is an incoming, so we'll see the enrollment of it. Go to enrollment history. We see the message enrolled and we have the reply. I got your message. Thanks for reaching out. You can see the reply here. So the message is available over here. This message came from one more workflow we have running, and this message came from our workflow that we created. We can see the status. It is success. And this contact, we can see it. We can put a re-enrollment on so that another message. Now we have seen one more message came. So that came from this one. So we will disable it for now. And we will work on only our workflow. Now what we will do, we will add some more actions. For example, send a voice call. And to number again, from where the member message came from, and from number again. So here in the from number, you have to enter a voice number basically, so that you can show, you have to get your voice numbers. So we have voice number as, go to account setting and get your voice number. Go to phone number, and this was my voice enabled number. I copied it, paste. So from this number, and the message will be, hi, we received your inquiry on WhatsApp. We will call, we will confirm you within 24 hours. So this message will be read out to the users on call. So let's test it out. Now in this workflow, we have whenever a new WhatsApp comes, it will send a WhatsApp message, reply, and do a outgoing voice call. Let's test this out. Need help. So we have written a message, need help over here. We have received a WhatsApp reply and a call should come out to this particular number. I'll check my phone and see. So we have received the call and we can see the status over here. That's how you can build your workflows. Hope this is clear. And if you need any help in setting up these workflows, reach out to us. Have a good day. Thank you.